Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Did you ever taste urine? Okay. But Greeks used to taste urine to diagnose a disease called diabetes. In diabetes, the sugar levels in the blood increase, and so do the sugar levels in urine. So, urine must have tasted sweet of people who had diabetes. And what causes diabetes? Well, initially, there was a medical student in Germany called Paul Langerhans who was working on pancreas. Pancreas is an organ right behind the stomach, the yellow one in this picture, and it produces digestive juices and hormones like insulin, which remove the excess sugar from the blood. Paul Langerhans was studying pancreas, and his only observation was that pancreas has two types of cells. One is acini, which produce digestive juices. The other is islets of Langerhans, function unknown. He left his work there. Then 20 years later, two German scientists or two German physiologists were again working on identifying the function of pancreas on fat, body fat. So what they did, they took a dog, and from that dog, they removed the pancreas, and they wanted to see what happened to the fat metabolism. But instead, they saw that the moment pancreas is removed, the dog became diabetic. The dog had high glucose or blood sugar levels. And they said pancreas is involved in producing diabetes. They left the work there. Then in 1901, another scientist called Eugene took up the work, and he was also studying islets of Langerhans. And he said that the moment islets of Langerhans are destroyed in the pancreas, the person developed diabetes. Therefore, islets of Langerhans are important to control blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. That was how pancreas was linked to high blood glucose levels or diabetes. Thank you.